Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Matlab and confirming your license is active. This prevents permission errors. Once Matlab starts, make sure the command window is visible and not docked off screen, then adjust the layout to include editor or workspace if you plan to run scripts. You should also check the current folder path and add folders to the Matlab path if required, because wrong paths cause function not found messages. Start by typing a simple command to verify responsiveness. Now customize the command window so it fits how you work. Open preferences and change font size, color scheme, and word wrap to improve readability. Once done, enable command history and set a sensible maximum so you can recall previous commands quickly. Make sure command complete and keyboard shortcuts are configured to speed typing. If you use long outputs, adjust the display limit or pagination. Test autocomplete and shortcuts by typing a partial function name and pressing tab. Finish by saving your custom layout from the Layouts menu so you can restore it later. This preserves window positions and docks. You may also export preferences or back up the Matlab PRF file to replicate settings on another machine. If something goes wrong, like Matlab freezes or commands error, try restarting Matlab, restoring default preferences, or checking for path conflicts. If a function is missing, use restore default path and rehash toolbackscache, because broken paths are the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.